Not yet, no.
Hi guys, welcome to Kayla's Playland. Look at this, I opened this new toy and I'm doing a display, right? She's going to be sitting right here.
What's her name?
Her name is Elsa. She's going to invite some friends that's going to scare her. Boo! You didn't scare me.
You gotta introduce her name.
The name? That's Cinderella. This princess is Belle.
Show it.
She has a giant slate. She is the queen. She's going to sit right. And she's going to sit right here. Right behind. She's going to be looking at the camera. Thank you. Look at this. Her name is Cinderella. I changed her clothes. You hurt my tummy. Hi guys. Hi guys. My name is Spider-Man. What? I am Spider-Man. I'm going to sit right here. Bye bye. I'm going to sit right here so you can see me. There. There's no mirrors, okay? There's no ceiling. Can you see me now? Yes. You have to say yes. Can you see me now?
No.
Yes. His head is right there.
Nope.
I see him. See his head?
Oh, there you are.
No.
Nope.
He's hiding somewhere special, can you?
There you are. I saw you.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Nope.
Now?
Okay, say bye.
Bye! 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 I'm doing it too. Bye! Bye! He goes bad. Bye! He can stand up. Let him go. Let's go and stand up. See? Welcome. Bye, Elsa. Bye. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.